After receiving the dash camera, please connect the wired controller cameras to the hose. Then use the USB test cable to check if the recorder function is normal. Use the charger or power bank applicable to WiFi for power supply during testing. If the wired controller vibrates during power on, please check if the memory card and cameras are installed properly and functioning properly. Stick the bracket pad to the bracket first. Align the bracket with the bracket hole on the hose. Insert the piece into the screw. Insert the screw. Tighten with a wrench. Then you can use adhesive tape to stick the hose inside the motorcycle. Install the shock-absorbing rubber ring onto the camera. Then install the circular bracket onto it. Place the gasket into the base. Insert the metal sheet into the screw for installation. After fixing the bracket with screws, install the nut. Tighten and secure with a wrench. After installing the camera bracket, you can attach it to the appropriate position on the motorcycle with tape. Tighten the screw onto the motorcycle. Fasten the Velcro to the upper and lower sides with screws. Select appropriate gasket according to the handlebar condition. Then fix it with screws.